What's up, guys? True 10. Right here it is Friday the 13th, 6/13/25 at the Avi. So gender reveal fountains, little backpacks. The prices have gone up a little bit. 20 bucks. Snakes, jumbo smoke balls, sparklers. These are actually kind of cool for $5. It's a little party ball. Comes with smoke balls, crackle balls, and little poppers. More parachutes, little Saturn missiles, sparklers. They're kind of cool for $7.99. Ground blooms for 20 bucks. These are the old school ground blooms, I guess you could call that, but these are the old school ones. Pokeball, 20 bucks. Turn it up. $17.99. $50 for this big old fountain. This one's 25, not too bad. A little 70 bucks, that's crazy. It's pretty big. Some rockets for $22.99. Roll of firecrackers, 20 bucks. Saturn missiles, 25. Which are the cheaper ones for 11 bucks. Little lightsabers. I don't see a price on those. Parachutes. Sky lanterns. Money box. These are on the other side. Adult snaps. 55. Little small 200-gram cakes from $10 to $20. That's where all the big stuff's at. I'll do that right now. Not bad. 300 shot Saturn missile for $40. $20 for 100. Dang, I used to remember those were like $5. Ooh. Got small assortments here for $60. This one here, $80. Dang, it's a little one. Got skull shells, bombas, the bomb shells. This one is $35. Same thing on this side. Here's where the good stuff's at. All them drinks. Yeah. much just a rocket assortment. Ariel salt. Neon shells. That is $300. High Times. Insanity. 45. 40 bucks for 500 grammars for the big boys. Damn, this is pretty big. This is a big one. 135 shot. 189. There we go. A little Gatling gun. Doesn't have a prize. The Kraken. 220. Ladybugs, same thing. We own the night, 88 shot. Does not have a price. Here's the big assortments. This one's 175. So one is assault, 350. And private party 6, 219. That's a quick little walkthrough. Hope you guys like it. Peace out.